In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Word document in landscape orientation, a valuable skill that can enhance the presentation of wider content, like charts or tables. Let's dive right in and make sure your document is ready for printing in no time. First, you'll want to open your Word document. If you don't have Word open yet, simply navigate to where your document is saved and double-click to open it. Now that your document is visible on your screen, take a moment to review the content to ensure everything looks just how you want it to appear when printed. Next, we need to adjust the orientation. For this, look at the top of your Word window and locate the Layout tab. Keep in mind, if you're using an older version of Word, you might see it labeled as Page Layout instead. Click on this tab to access a series of options that allow you to tweak the page layout settings. Once you're in the Layout section, look for an option labeled Orientation. It's part of the Page Setup group, so it should be fairly easy to spot. Click on Orientation and you'll see two options: Portrait, which is the default, and Landscape. Select Landscape to change the orientation to landscape. This format is particularly useful for documents that might have more width than height in their design, like spreadsheets or calendar layouts. With the document now in landscape orientation, it's time to print. Navigate to the File menu, found in the top left corner of the window. You'll see a drop-down with multiple options, but we want to focus on Print. Clicking on Print will bring up a new view showing the print settings and a preview of your document. Take a moment here to look over the Print Preview window. This is where you can double-check that your document actually displays in landscape orientation as expected. It's always better to catch any mishaps here rather than wasting paper. If everything looks good, all that's left is to proceed with printing. Finally, it's time to click the Print button. This will send your document to the connected printer, ensuring it gets printed just the way you want, wide and ready to impress with its new landscape look. And there you have it, a seamless transition from standard portrait to landscape orientation, making your document stand out and conveying your information in a visually appealing manner. Thank you for joining me today in this quick and easy guide on printing in landscape orientation using Word. Happy printing, and I'll see you in the next video.